Okay. Today, good morning, friends. My name is Chetan Gaikwad from Mechanical Department. Today, we're going to study the practicals of basic communication using computers. Okay. So now, this is the fifth practical. Write the importance and guidelines of presentation skills. Okay. Presentation skills are required to deliver effective and engaging the presentations to a variety of audiences. These skills cover a variety of areas such as the structure of presentation, design of slide, tone of voice, and the body language you convey. Effective presentation skills are important because they keep a presentation interesting, help the presenter communicate with confidence, and motivates the audience to listen. This learning experience has been designed in other skills to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. So we will study the importance of presentation skills. First is the growth mindset. Second is servant's heart. Second is curious mind. Fourth is elevates confidence level. Fifth is stress reduction. So these are the different points which are required for the importance of presentation skills. Okay. Now guidelines of how to write the guidelines of presentation skills. First, you should know your audience. Next, you have to plan your presentation. Next is the get a grip on your nerves. Fourth is what show your care. And fifth is what be organized. You must be organized enough to deliver the presentation. So you must know your audience. You must know your plan your presentation. Get grip on your nerves. Show your care and be organized. These are the different points, guidelines of presentation skills. And importance of presentation skills was growth mindset, servant's heart, then curious mind, elevates confidence level, stress reduction. These are the different points which are required importance of presentation skills. These are the guidelines of presentation skills. So in this we complete the first practical regarding the importance and guidelines of presentation skills. Now sixth practical. Draft a detailed progress report. An effective report presents the facts accurately. It provides complete information on all the key points on which the report is based on. Progress report emphasizes the progress on tasks, projects made in given period, problem faced in the progress of any project are shared with the transparency. Therefore, it is required for an engineer to practice correct format of the progress report. The learning experience of drafting a progress report has been designed to enhance skills, communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. So this is the basic structure of detailed progress report. This is of Celtel Communication MID sector Nasik dated 7/27 December. Darshan Shankar Shinde is there. He is written to the chairman of Celtel Communication MID sector 5 Nasik. Subject is one report on the progress of company product during August 19 to December 19. This is a different report which is being generated by the company from August 19 to December 19. Respected sir, it is a sheer pleasure to submit you the progress report on company product during last 5 months. During last 5 months, a company products are marvelously done well. The cell phone launched by the company have not made good entry in the market, but also giving not only not made good market entry in the market, but also giving strong competition to establish branch in every first 5 months. Our products has gained 3% market share, and it's a very remarkable progress. Reasons for the progress. First of all, it's company decision to launch some such much awaited product. Then the quality of and various important the marketing policy used by the company to launch and establish the brand holds to create to its high success, huge success. Cost wise, our product it is affordable than the similar other products. Suggestions. We definitely have to be happy but not too satisfied by this product. There is still scope of importance in the quality of product and its marketing in a couple of months. Little limited edition with additional features of this reproduction should be launched. So this is the okay. Now it is thus the newly launched cell phone has gained good market share and established company among highest sought after cell phone manufacturing in order to develop or progress more additional trained technical staff to be recruited. Yours faithful Darshan in the work manager Celtel Communication Company. So this is the practical which has seen the draft how to draft a detailed progress report. Okay. So this was a practical on how to draft a detailed progress report on any company or any related to any product. Okay, thank you very much.